Beautiful glam girls, glam fam, glam everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Anyway, so this video is an Asos haul and I thought it'd be fun to do something different this time around. So normally with my try on hauls, I take everything out, you know, lay it all out, hang it all up, and I either try it on once so I already know stuff, or I try it on for the first time there, but I'm usually like made up and, you know, ready to like show you everything put together. I thought, why not do like a raw, right out of the box, I'm at home, no makeup kind of haul. So in this haul, you don't even see my face, it's just my body trying on the clothing. I am like no makeup, wasn't feeling well, I just wanted to open everything up, and I thought it'd be fun to maybe do like a split screen where I'm reviewing the stuff as I'm showing you my genuine try on for the first time out of the box, and you see me unpackaging everything. Let me know if you guys like this, or if you prefer the regular way I do try-ons, or if you don't mind either way. I just wanted to try something different. I've been doing try-on hauls for so many years, so I thought I'd try something else because it was kind of easy for me to be able to just open everything out of the box, try it on, and now come back and review and tell you how I felt and give you more details, and you can see my face as I'm talking to you, and you can see how I felt when I was trying it on. So anyway, without further ado, let's get into the first piece. All right, so the first piece we have here is called the, what is it called? The Pieces Curved Tie Waist Quilted Long Line Jacket in bright pink. So this is a bright pink like puffer coat, and it looked really cute on the model online. I really liked how it looked on her, and it also had like a baby pink color to it. I'm gonna put my phone up to the screen so you can see. It had like a really pretty like baby pink color to it. It just looked really cute on the model, which sometimes can trip us up, and especially with Asos, I feel like sometimes they know how to put stuff together so it looks better. Sorry, no shade. I love Asos, but sometimes the pictures can be a little deceiving. And with this one, wasn't quite sure, but I liked the color. I thought it'd be cute. I liked the way they styled it. As you can see, when I started taking it out of the box, girl, I was shook. I was like, what is this? The color was just way too like Pepto-Bismol pink. It was not this pretty light rosy blush color. It was definitely a bright Pepto-Bismol pink, and I was not feeling it. It is really lightweight. I liked that it was lightweight. I liked that you could feel like it was gonna keep you warm, but it wasn't heavy. But the way it looked on, not cute at all. Not a fan of the fit, not a fan of the color. I felt like the pictures were deceiving. There is these little buttons at the bottom so you can open it up and give it a little bit more of a flare, but that didn't help me. Also, the sizing for me was just not really giving. Like I believe I got a size 20. Let me look. I got a size, dang, what size did I get? Yes, I got a size US 20. The biggest was a 22. So maybe the 22 would have fit better, but I doubt it. It had absolutely no stretch. The hip area just didn't fit at all. As you can see, I tried to like button it. It just wasn't given. It was not given what it needed to give. I was really disappointed, especially because it was $100. I just was not feeling it. So this was a huge fail for me. All right, next piece we have here are the Asos Design Curve Leather Look Legging with side split in black. These I really liked because I love the faux leather legging trend for fall. I don't even think it's a trend anymore. I would say it's a fall classic. They're just such a go-to. So I wanted to get some new ones because I only had I had two pairs. One pair was too big on me after I lost 20 pounds, and then the other pair, which I've kept off those 20 pounds by the way, you know, just saying, just gotta tell you, I've kept off those 20 pounds. Haven't lost more, but hey, I didn't gain it back. So they were too big on me after I lost the 20 pounds. And then the other pair are very like leggings. They're not really like going out trouser type of pants. So I needed some that I could wear as actual pants. These looked really cute, but the problem with these is that they just do not fit my body. I am way too short for them, and you can see that they were just too long. I also felt like the material was too thin and kind of fake, and they just didn't fit right. I didn't like how they looked. I feel like you could see a lot of like my lumps and bumps through them. The material looked really fake, like I said, and the side split is cute, but you can't see it because I'm too short for them. So with these, you definitely have to probably be 5'6" or taller to really get that side split design. And even the photos on the model, they don't look particularly flattering. I should have known better. So huge fail on these. And on those I got a size 22, so maybe they were just too big. Maybe I needed a size 18 or 20. So that's a possibility, but I don't think I'm gonna try to get another size because the size split just didn't work for me. Another pair of faux leather leggings, but these are like a latex kind of style, which I really liked these when I saw them online. I love the look of them. They look super nice. I love that the leather kind of a look. It looks more like real leather. I like that there was no hippity dippity side split. There's no pockets. There's no waist situation. They were just a straight down center, straight to the point faux leather leggings, and I loved how they looked on the model too because they hit right at the ankle or like a little bit above the ankle, and because I'm short, that was a good sign to me. The problem with these is they are way too thick and hot and heavy. They are very like faux leather, which means that they look more like leather, but because of that they're also super heavy, super hot, and hard to walk in. Like literally, I don't know if you guys can tell in the video, I was trying to walk around to show you, but as I was walking around, my legs were literally like getting stuck together and I could barely walk. It was making me sweat. I was literally sweating within like 30 seconds of having them on. I was like, okay, no, these are not gonna work unless you're wearing these in like 9 degrees outside with no jacket. That's the only way you're gonna be comfortable. At least for me personally, I knew that I would be really hot wearing these and I could barely walk. I felt like I was exercising trying to walk in these, which was so disappointing because I loved how they looked on my body. I don't know if you can see in the video, but I was definitely feeling myself. Like I was like, dang, these look cute, and you can see the difference in how those look compared to the ones with the side split. These have a thicker material that kind of like glosses over the lumps and bumps in my legs more, and it just looks better on the body, but they're just not comfortable. You can't walk in them, so had to send those back as well, unfortunately. And those were a US 22, so I would say those fit a little bit smaller slash true to size. So I would definitely get your regular size if you are gonna get those, or even size. We have this really cute satin cami wrap top. Wait, no, it's a satin cami with wrap back detail, and it's this beautiful ivory shade, and I love these tops. These are the types of tops that everybody should have in their collection. You should always have an ivory one, a black one, and even maybe a nude one. For me, this is kind of like the bodysuit of my collection. I love having these tops. I think they're such great basics, especially for the fall when you just want to throw on something quick and easy. What the hell was that? And some type of construction outside my house. I love how these look. I did get whatever size they had left that I thought would fit. Yeah, 18. So I got a size 18. Kind of wish that I got a 20 just to fit my hips a little bit better, but I think it still looked really cute. I thought it was so affordable. I love the silkiness, only $22. I really love these, and I love that these straps are adjustable. As you can see on the model, the straps are adjustable. I love the little back wrap detailing, so it's cute in the front and the back. Nothing, you know, more to say about this. I love these kind of like v-neck you know, little silky tops. They're just like the perfect little basic to have in your collection. I think everyone needs this. So this was a complete and utter success because everything else was a fail. This was a success, and I really like this, so definitely recommend this. And I think you could size down unless you have like really big boobs. You could definitely size down in this, and I love it. We have these shoes, and I was really into these because I like the look of a more chic, put together vibe, but I don't always want to have to wear boots or heels in the fall. But you can't really wear slides, you can't really wear sandals, you can't really wear open toe shoes. You want to be in the season, you know, and be elegant. And so I wanted to get these really cute wide fit Lakeside slipper ballet flats. They looked really nice, but they did not fit. I did get a 9 in these, and normally with Asos wide fit shoes I could be an 8 in them, sometimes 8.5, sometimes 9, but most of the time I can fit an 8 in the wide fit shoe. So I thought a 9 would fit perfectly, and they did not fit at all. My foot fit in there, but I couldn't actually like put my foot down because I felt like my foot was gonna like explode out of the shoe. So disappointing as well. I don't think that they have them in a bigger size. Oh yeah, they do. They have a 10. I might try to get the 10. I'm gonna order the 10 because I do like them. I thought the style was cute. They didn't feel like they would be the most supportive, the most comfortable, but again, For 20 bucks, I think they're cute. If I get a few wears out of them, I'm gonna try to get the size 10 and see how they feel. All right, next thing we have here are these are another pair of shoes. These are the Asos design white fit Serena Slingback blocked heel shoes in beige. These are absolutely gorgeous. I love them. And these, I did get my normal size. I got an 8 because they're wide fit. They do fit. I could have used a little bit more space in them on my right foot. My right foot is bigger, but they don't have any other sizes right now. They only have the 8, so I kept them because they're so cute. I walked around in them. I really love them. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. I'll show you what they look like here on the model. I tried to get a good like little video of them, and I also took a video on my phone, and I'll put that here as well so you guys can see what they look like on me. I love a slingback heel. I love a little patent leather like nude kind of shoe. I actually have a pair like this already. They're a lighter beige, and I've been looking for something like this, maybe a darker color or darker beige, so I'm so happy I found these. I love like that patent leather look. I love the sling back with the stretch on the ankle. Guys, if you are not comfortable in heels or like pumps, stilettos, they're uncomfortable, they're hard to walk in, try a slingback style. I promise. I have a couple slingback styles and I can walk in them all night, even if they're 3 or 4 inches. Like, yeah, I think these are about, I want to say they're 4 inches, but because of the slingback, they're so much more comfortable. The heel height is 3 inches. Yeah, so it's a really comfortable heel height. I think 3 inches is like the shortest you can go that still looks sexy and chic without being uncomfortable. So I highly recommend trying a slingback. I love these in particular. I'll leave a couple of my favorites in the description if I can find them. I love slingback. I paired that with this skirt. This is another item that ended up working out and I really, really like it. This is the curve knitted mini skirt in rib black. And it says it's part of a set, so I'm guessing there's a top to go with it. I didn't get the top, I just got the skirt. Thought it was really, really cute. It's like a sweater material skirt, and it's so cozy, so comfortable, super, super, super cute. And the model is also wearing it with like a white top, and so I just threw it on with the satin cami, as you can see in the video. And I also threw on the nude heels with it as well, and I think the whole outfit is really cute, although I do think it would look better with like a nude heel, or I mean, excuse me, a white heel or a black heel. But either way, I thought it looked really cute all together. I think this is a really nice option for the winter. You could also pair it with tights and boots for more of a casual look for the fall and winter. I love this because it's not too heavy, and me, I get hot really fast. So anything that's too thick, too heavy, I don't like it. I love the material of this. It is very cozy, and I feel like you could dress this up or down. Last piece, they sent me the wrong piece. So this is what I actually ordered, this plaid blazer, long blazer jacket. And they sent me the complete opposite of this. So as you can see here, I don't know what this is, but it's completely not what I ordered. So obviously I returned it. The thing that they sent me is ugly as hell. I would never buy anything like that. It's not even a cute plaid. It doesn't look good on the body. Yeah, I don't know why they sent me something completely different, and I'm really upset about it because this coat was $166. So yeah, returned it. Glad to be getting my money back. And it actually worked out. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw that I got a coat that was very similar to this, but even better than this, from Target. It's from their Designer X Target collection. I forgot the name of the designer, but if you go to the link in my description, I'll leave it, and grab that one instead, because that one is way cheaper. It's literally half the price of this one, and it looks better, so it worked out anyway. I don't know what's going on with ASOS. Usually it's always a success with stuff, but you know, sometimes it happens where you just have a bad batch of stuff. This was definitely not the most successful haul, but I am really happy with the silk cami, the skirt, and the nude heels. I love, love, love those 3 pieces. Definitely see those getting used a lot, especially the heels and the top. I think those will get used quite a bit in my collection, so I'm really excited about that. Let me know what you guys think about this style of haul. Do you prefer it? All the links for this stuff will be down in the description box. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to stay glam. Love you so much. Bye. Besitos. Bye.